To share this artist paint box that I made. It's meant to store my brushes and paints. I've been trying to get back into painting lately, but it very easily could have been a keepsake box or for jewelry. Just a simple box made out of plywood and 2x4s. My dad used to build everything out of that kind of material, and as long as you sand and paint the edges, you never know it's made out of plywood. It's also purposely distressed to make it look older than it is, make it look like it's been around for a while. So this is where I'm at with my artist paint box. I decided to go with a distressed look. I painted the outside black and the corners red, but I just wasn't loving it, so I did some distressing, sanded off a lot of that red, sanded the paint on the edges in places right down to the wood, painted the inside a tan color, and I just have a simple recessed lid. What I want to do now is make an actual painting on the top and then use this thin wood I used from a 2x4 and make a frame around it. I built this box only 3 inches deep to avoid clutter and digging through the box. I had a lot of fun distressing it. If you've never tried it before, I would recommend practicing on a piece of scrap wood. You can either do heavy distressing or very little or none at all, depending on your taste. Did a very simple painting on the lid. It's been quite a while since I've used oil paints. And on the back, I want to do another painting. I haven't put any clear coat on this yet. But I want to do kind of a silhouette type of painting.